Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how Content Keeper functions on school Chromebooks. Content Keeper is a robust web filtering and security solution specifically designed for educational environments. Its primary purpose is to monitor internet activity and restrict access to websites deemed inappropriate or distracting for students. These systems are centrally installed and meticulously managed by your school's dedicated IT administrators, ensuring a safe and focused learning environment for everyone. Deleting Content Keeper directly from a school Chromebook is generally not possible for students. This software is deeply integrated into the device's operating system and is controlled by the school's network. Student accounts are intentionally restricted, lacking the necessary administrative permissions to uninstall or disable such critical security software. Furthermore, attempting any unauthorized removal could lead to serious disciplinary consequences, as it violates school technology policies. Content Keeper is entirely managed by your school's IT department. They deploy and configure the software across all school-issued devices, including Chromebooks, from a central console. The filtering policies are applied at network level, meaning they affect all devices connected to the school's network, rather than being stored on each individual Chromebook. Only authorized IT staff possess the specific administrative credentials required to modify, disable, or completely remove the Content Keeper software. If you encounter a legitimate educational website that is blocked by Content Keeper, the proper procedure is to contact your teacher or the school's IT support team. Clearly explain the situation, providing the exact website address and detailing its educational relevance to your course you work. The IT department can then review your request and, if appropriate, adjust the filtering policies to unblock the site for educational use, ensuring you have access to necessary learning resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.